All right, continuing to work on this fuel sending unit. As you know, the last video I replaced all the wires along fuel pump and hose and cleaned everything up and got rid of a lot of corrosion and buildup and tartar. Right now I've got it in this position so that the float that's inside is all the way at the top as though the tank is full. So now what I want to do is see that my changing wires didn't change the resistance of anything. That beeping sound you hear is I have electricity on it. So let's turn the key to the run position. Yes, yes. All right, I can hear the pump going. I don't want to have that going too long because I don't want to burn out my pump. But let's move that to, I heard it fall. Okay, let me go ahead and turn that off because I definitely don't want to burn out my pump since there's no fluid in there. But as you see, the gauge is moving down. So that is working appropriately. But to double check my empty position, let me move the floats. Okay. There, that's full. I mean, yes. There, I just heard it hit bottom. So that should be empty. Let's double check by turning on the gauge. Yes, it moved just a little bit, but it's on empty. All right. Now let's see if I can get a sweet spot and show a partial. All right, so I had it shook down to empty. That should be about full. Okay, I can't see it because the sun is not right. Maybe I can see through it. One, two, three, and then it pops down. So 1, 2, 3 pops down. So I did it about 1, hopefully 1.5. So somewhere around the half tank or third of a tank, since it's 3. Let's see what it does. Yeah, 3/4 of a tank. Perfect. Well, I would say that's a great test to show that my wires didn't change the resistance too much and that my sending unit is now appropriate and ready to be installed for sure.